Hi everyone, John from Backyard Food Garden again, and today we're out here in the garden and I'm not sure what's going to happen. We have 3 different varieties of potatoes here, and this is my first year growing potatoes ever, so I don't know what to expect. So you're going to be the first one to see if we get potatoes or not. Just to let you know, we have Yukon Gold potatoes, we have a purple variety, and we have russet potatoes. So I believe this is the Yukon Gold, and we're gonna try this out right now. Now these have a pocket and you can put your hand in there and look for potatoes, but I have a wheelbarrow, so we're just gonna dump them all out. So here it goes. Wish me luck. Drum roll please. Not looking too good. Oh, there's one. Okay, so we got a few little ones. If nothing else, they'll be sweet potatoes. But we are looking for a big potato, and I don't see any in here yet. Batch number 1 didn't produce as much as I wanted. Let's take a look at bag number 2. I'll put these over here. Let's hope this one does a little better. Now, we didn't fertilize these at all. Already it's looking a little better. These are all the Yukon Golds. So a couple potatoes. There's some. They're not big, but they're there. Little potatoes. Little potatoes mash up just as good as big potatoes. Right. We'll compost all this. Let's try bag number 3. Oh, this one's a little heavy. Oh, look at that. A purple potato. Oh, nice. Okay, these look a little better. Look at all these purple potatoes. They're nice. Good size, not too big, not too little. Got some little seed ones. Wow. Look at this one. That's what we want. Here's another big one. So we got some nice potatoes there. I would say that is good for bag number 3. Bag number 4. These are the russet potatoes. Some nice potatoes coming out of here. There's a couple. Look, come here. It's fun finding all these. Okay, that is bag number 4. Okay, last bag. Okay, let's see what we have. These are more purple potatoes. Okay. It's hard to see the purple potatoes. They're just like the color of that soil. There's a nice one. Here's the seed potato. All right, let's check out our bag, see what we got. Okay, here's what we harvested. We have wonderful potatoes here, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.